Just took a good thing.
Just a washing thing. She wants to come this way, is that what you're waiting?
Yeah.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey.
Just share to the camera and then I'll stop filming.
This is a little monster. Hello, my name's Amelia. I've got hiccups.
She's got her eyes open.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh, it is dry skin, lots. It's not milk. Just look at the camera.